Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best solid MIG welding wire. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Low spatter for clean results. Ineffi's solid MIG welding wire produces minimal spatter, reducing cleanup time and ensuring a smooth welding process. This feature makes it ideal for achieving professional quality welds with less effort. High feedability for seamless operation. With its excellent feedability, this wire glides smoothly through the welding machine, minimizing interruptions and ensuring a stable arc. This is particularly useful for long welding sessions where consistency is key. Porosity-free welds. The wire is engineered to deliver porosity-free welds, ensuring high structural integrity and durability. This makes it suitable for projects where the strength and appearance of the welds are critical. Good bead appearance. Achieving aesthetically pleasing weld beads is easy with the Ineffi's smooth arc action. Whether it's a visible joint or a structural weld, the results are consistently clean and uniform. All position welding capability. Designed for all welding positions, the Ineffi wire is versatile enough for horizontal, vertical, and overhead applications. It supports both single-pass and multi-pass welding, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Compatible with shielding gases. This wire works seamlessly with shielding gases, including an 80% argon plus 20% CO2 mix or 100% CO2. This flexibility allows you to adapt to different welding environments and requirements. Ideal for carbon and carbon manganese steels. Ineffi's solid MIG welding wire is perfect for welding carbon and carbon manganese steels, which are commonly used in construction, automotive, and industrial projects. Premium Italian craftsmanship. Manufactured in Italy, this wire is made using state-of-the-art technology and the finest materials. Its production adheres to high labor standards, ensuring exceptional quality and reliability. Pros: clean and efficient welding. The low spatter and porosity-free design ensure a clean and efficient welding process, reducing post-weld cleanup and improving productivity. Consistent performance. High feedability and a stable arc make this wire reliable for long welding sessions without frequent interruptions. Versatile application. Its all-position capability and compatibility with single and multi-pass welding make it suitable for various projects and welding styles. Professional finish. The good bead appearance ensures aesthetically pleasing results, even for visible welds. Wide material compatibility. Perfect for carbon and carbon manganese steels, it's a versatile option for multiple industries. Durable and reliable. Crafted from premium materials under strict quality control, this wire is built to last. Flexible gas options. Works well with different shielding gases, offering flexibility for indoor and outdoor welding setups. Cons. Wire's shielding gas. The need for shielding gas can be a limitation for outdoor projects where wind may disrupt gas flow. Welders working in such conditions might need to opt for flux cord wires. Not suitable for all materials. While ideal for carbon and carbon manganese steels, this wire isn't compatible with materials like stainless steel or aluminium, which limits its application range. Specialized use. Beginners may find the requirement for specific gas mixtures slightly intimidating compared to more straightforward welding solutions. Final thoughts. The Ineffi solid MIG welding is an excellent choice for welders seeking precision, reliability, and professional-grade results. Its low spatter, high feedability, and porosity-free performance make it ideal for clean and efficient welding. The wire's versatility, durability, and compatibility with all welding positions further enhance its appeal for both professional and DIY users. However, the requirement for shielding gas and its limited material compatibility might not suit everyone's needs. Additionally, its slightly higher price point reflects the premium quality but could deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, if you're working with carbon or carbon manganese steels and require a high-performance MIG welding wire, the Ineffi solid MIG welding wire is a fantastic investment. Its Italian craftsmanship and advanced features make it a standout choice in its category. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more product reviews and insights. Thank you for watching and happy welding.